The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is already shaping up to be one of the most anticipated foldables for 2026. Following in the footsteps of the ultra-thin Galaxy Z Fold 7, leaks about the Fold 8 have been sparse, implying that Samsung intends to refine rather than innovate the experience. So, what is the next foldable phone's release date? And what about the pricing estimates? Since 2019, Samsung Electronics has created a line of foldable smartphones known as the Galaxy Z series. On July 10, 2024, Samsung officially revealed the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 during the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event in Paris, France, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Buds 3 series, and Galaxy Ring. It succeeded the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and was released on July 31, 2024. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a flagship foldable Android smartphone that was unveiled by Samsung Electronics on July 9, 2025, in New York City alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7. As you can see, Samsung's calendar remains consistent year after year. So, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is scheduled to be unveiled in the summer of 2026 at the annual July Unpacked event. In 2025, the event was scheduled for July 9th. There is a 14-day wait following the official reveal before the device is offered to end consumers, but you may pre-order it on the day of its premiere. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 will not be cheap, and while there have been no leaks about its price, it would be astonishing if it arrived for less than $1,999. The foldable technology is still pricey, and no company has created a really affordable device that bends and folds. Stay tuned for the latest news and updates on the forthcoming Samsung foldable phone. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.